So here's a DIY for today. Going to my shed. Big old wasp hornet's nest there. Yeah, I know it's dirty in here. Gotta clean it out. Some there. A little one over there. So they're getting in through these holes. So I took this screen and put over. That's where the light's supposed to be, but never put it in. And I just stapled it on there. It's kind of a rubbery type of screen, so it doesn't brittle. Like here, they brittle in the soffits. So that's going to be today's project. And then wood boring bees went in there, screwed my corner up. As you can see, there's a hole in that regular screen. So I'm just going to staple some of that rubberized screen over it. Here's some of the tools I'm going to use. One of these two staplers, whichever one I can get working. Some trauma shears to cut the rubber. See, it's flexible, doesn't crank, doesn't rip, comes right back. Trauma shears, and then some nails if I don't get either of the staplers to work. I just cut two more pieces, about 8x4, I believe the cuts. Sorry about the dogs in the background, they are not mine. It was 7 inches by 3, but I needed a little more to staple onto, a little more to grab, and I'll show you why, because it leaves corners open that they can get back into, and I also want to keep chipmunks and squirrels out. So let's walk back over here. See, I put a crap ton of staples in there, and I really didn't have that much to cover it. That one's still good, but I'm going to do it anyways, because there's no use for me having to do it in the spring. That one you can see it hanging. So I will do these two and then move on to this little front here. Then maybe in the summer or spring I'll put new drip edge and some new shingles and a new piece of plywood on there. Prices stay down. So I just went and folded it around, went to the good wood that I could. I am going to have to replace that. But as you can see all the way down, I have that screen, temporary fix. I didn't have any spray foam, expandable foam, but then it looks like crap even worse than this. So that's how I did it. Yes, my ladder's on the corner, and before anybody complains, I am a firefighter, and the safest spot on the building, the strongest part, is usually the corner. And it is dug into the ground.